Okay, this video is going to talk you through briefly how to do your criteria BC on the Parachutes Lab. You're going to get a big piece of bin bag like this. You're going to get a little weight or mass to hang off it like this, and you're going to get some string. I've got 4 long pieces and 1 short piece. With the short piece, I'm going to do like you do when you wrap a present for someone. You wrap it round the other side, and then you twist like that, and then you wrap it round to the other side, like, and you tie a knot in it as tight as we can. Hopefully that then keeps our thing attached so that we can tie string to it and it can pull it down. So then what you do with the 4 ends of the string, so I've got them lined out, I've got the 4 pieces of string all together at the end. I'm just going to take them through here and just tie a knot in them. Bin bag's on the move like this, and now I have my object. If you find that the string was coming off the wooden block, then you can put some like blue tack over there and it will just hold it in place, or some sellotape, it will just hold it in place. Then you have your 4 strings. You can tie 1 of each of the strings onto the corner of your parachute. As the parachute is here, this is the biggest you're going to get. So you need to measure the length of one side and the other side and find the area of that. You find the area by multiplying the 2 lengths. Then at the end of each corner, tie a little knot, tiny little knot in it. Remember that that's now made it slightly smaller, so that's something to talk about in our evaluation. And then you tie your string on the inside of the knot, and that will make it nice and secure. You do that on the other 4 corners with the other 4 pieces of string, and we make a parachute. So once you've done all 4, I'll finish the job. Here we go. Right, let's get them all tangled up like that. Tangle going on. There we go, I've done it there. So I'm just going to quickly do the other 4 corners, the other 3 corners even. Remember, little knot in the end of each corner. Sun's coming out. Two, 3 and 4. And we get a bit of string. Tie it on. The next piece of string tied on. No fancy knots needed if you don't want to. You can if you do. Here we go. So this is our parachute. When we drop it, you just hold your hand inside it, like I've done, and then you should be able to drop it. We're going to drop it from the upstairs there, and we're going to time it to fall down to the ground here. Someone else is going to have to time it for you, so you're going to have to work in little groups. Someone upstairs dropping it, maybe a little 3, 2, 1 drop, someone downstairs timing it, someone recording results on a piece of paper, and I think you should do 3 repeats, so drop it 3 times and time it so you can find an average, and then you make the parachute slightly smaller, so you have a medium-sized one, measure it, make it, drop it 3 times, make it smaller, repeat. So we have 3 different sizes, dropped 3 different times, but all from the same height. We're keeping the height the same, we're keeping the little wooden block the same.